Hello everybody. Just stripped down my Bedini wheel, and it's been a great tool. It's been a good learning tool. Anyway, the wanted to show you something kind of neat that most people don't consider. And the my compass, the south is facing the north magnet, and there are north magnets all the way around it. I have three of them, 120 degrees on center. What's a lot of people don't realize that between the two magnets, the rotation is 360 degrees of the compass between those two. So every time that wheel goes around once, the compass will go around 3 times. So I'm going to turn it real slow. If you get it too fast, it won't catch. But anyway, as that spins, one, anyway, it goes around use that. So that's the reason I stack my coils long ways, and I've done the 3 stacking with different configurations. You can get some wild results. And but I learned a long time ago with frequency at 180 degrees apart, that's actually making 3 pulses to 1 complete rotation. And that's kind of like the secret of the monopole type motor. Basically, it's a timing wheel is what it really does very well, because you can put a photo sensor right above that, and for every revolution, and you can lengthen or shorten that reflector, and that can control your dwell for controlling something. So anyway, that's the reason I built it, was just for that mechanical type oscillator and off of photocell. So you can put a magnet there to do the same thing. It's just easy to tear off tape and get your width the way that you want it on a reflective photocell. But anyway, wanted to show you that I'm rebuilding my wheel, and I hope y'all are having a great day, because we are.